To fix the Xfinity router blinking white issue, which indicates unstable internet, follow these steps. First, understand that the blinking white light on your Xfinity router signifies that it is trying to connect to the network but is unable to establish a stable connection. This could be due to various reasons such as outdated firmware, loose connections, or interference from other devices. Start by checking all the cables connected to your router, ensuring they are securely plugged in and not damaged. Next, restart your router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues. If the problem persists, check for firmware updates on the Xfinity website or through the Xfinity app. Installing the latest firmware can improve the performance and stability of your router. Additionally, try to reduce interference from other devices by changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router or moving it to a central location in your home. Another step is to check for any physical obstructions or sources of interference near your router, such as cordless phones or microwaves, and relocate them if possible. You can also try resetting your router to its factory settings, but be aware that this will erase all your customized settings. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Xfinity support for further assistance or to schedule a service appointment. Remember to have your account information and router details ready when you call. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the Xfinity router blinking white issue and enjoy stable internet connectivity.